What is going on, YouTube? Back again. It has been quite some time since I've last uploaded a video, and I'm excited today for more than one reason. I'm excited to be back here again to start working on my car, and I'm excited because a package I've been waiting on for quite a little bit of time is finally here, and I really want to show you guys what it is. Some of you guys might be familiar with this company, but if you're not, this is JDI, Jordan Distributors Inc., as it says right there. And what I have in this box is a push to start kit for a Honda Civic. I got to take that off. But more specifically, my chassis, which is the EF. So right here, this goes to the fuse box. This is the programming unit. Here's our button and all the other bits and pieces that we need to get this kit installed. I also went ahead and I got a main relay replacement kit with a kill switch. Yeah. So that's pretty much what's in the box. They also sent the user manual with it to show you how it's installed, and a little card to show some of the other little things that they sell as well. This is actually something that I plan on getting. It's called the Ghost Box, and it's basically a Bluetooth replacement for your factory radio. Pretty nice little setup. And on the back side they advertise the Ghost Lock. I don't know if this would work here in Jamaica, but if I remember right, this is basically GPS tracking for your car, and you can shut it down wherever it is if it's stolen. And this is the warning for this particular kit. The plugs look the same on the EF and the DA, but the pinout is different, if I remember right. Yeah, as it says there, the wire location is different between the two. So yeah, this is my kit, and they have quite a lot of videos on YouTube about how to install these kits, so I'm not really gonna be going in detail about how it's done, but I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Alright, this is the key cylinder we just took out. This is part of why I decided to just get rid of this. All of these wires were cut and twisted together initially when I first bought the car, and it was giving me some trouble when it came on to starting it. I was able to start it without the main relay connected, and a whole bunch of stuff. So the barrel itself is also damaged, and you can kind of see an indication of that right there. It's kind of banged up, but it also doesn't turn properly, and it doesn't lock into the correct positions correctly. So yeah, so this is the first piece we're going to be installing. This is what's going to be taking the signal from the box and passing it onto the fuse box. So yeah. This is a ground wire, so I'm gonna figure out somewhere to put this. Alright, next thing we're gonna be connecting is the signal from the brake pedal. So we're gonna be looking for a dark green wire with a white strip, which is right here. The EF chassis, well, I'm not sure about all of them, but my own has two, but they both go to the exact same pin, so either one of them should be fine. And the kit comes with this little clamp that allows you to tap into it. And after you get that clip on, the kit comes with this green wire with this connector on the end of it that plugs you into it like that. So there we go. So this ring would be, this is the antenna actually, this would be the next thing that you'd install. I'm not gonna show where I'm putting this on camera. I'm just gonna, you know, leave it dangling for right now just to check if the kit works basically. What I will show though is the button. I'm gonna put this in the stock location where the stock keyhole is. Kind of looks like it might hang off on the side here just a little bit, but we'll see how it looks. Yeah, that's it basically. I can't straighten this up because I don't like how, I mean, it doesn't look too bad when it's there like that. I might try and straighten that up. Alright, so after you've got all of that installed, you just have to connect everything to the box. So from the fuse box, this one from the ignition switch goes on the side here. Is it on the side? Should be the side. Yeah, on the side here. Brake signal. This one goes here. And then the signal from the antenna goes right in between it. And that's everything connected. So I'm gonna go and put the battery back on and see if we can get the this button working. All right, so I have the antenna here with me in the car. I'm gonna, all right, beep beep, that means it's disarmed. And then first press. All right, I saw something, it's flashing. Might have to check the manual again. All right, dashboard is on, and then if I hold the brake down, it should try and crank. There we go. All right, well, I don't have the relay connected right now, but if I press it again, all right, there we go, it goes off. So that confirms that the key barrel was part of the problem. But let me get this main relay connected and see if it starts. All right, main relay is on now, so let's try this again. First press, 2. All right, and I'll hold on the brake. Hold it down and see if I can't start it. There we go. There we go. And now see if I can turn it off. I might have a bigger issue than I thought, but it works. My bad, you guys, false alarm. The kit actually works as intended. I got a bit overzealous with the button presses. But yeah, it's pretty much a straightforward installation. Connection to the fuse box, install your button, tap into the brake signal and plug everything up into the box, and you're good to go. So if you guys decide to buy the kit, make sure you read the instructions to understand how the key works, and you should be good to go. Shout out to shout out to Jordan Distributors for making such a really, I'd say innovative, but a really cool piece of tech for these old cars. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more stuff.